Hi guys, welcome to my channel for those who are new, and welcome back to my channel for those who already subscribed. My name is xochelydorman, and I hope you are doing very great by keeping safe, staying home. I wanted to film my first ever eyebrow tutorial routine on my channel, so yeah, and basically this video is going to be specifically on how I shape and how I conceal my brows. Okay, I'm going to be using two products, and it's my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dipbrow Pomade in the color dark brown, and I'm gonna be using my concealer from the LA Girl Pro Matte, and is in the color medium beige. Okay, and also I'm going to be using this brush to comb and to shape my brows, and it's also from the Anastasia, and it's in the number 12. I used to do my brows with this mini palette from Milani, and it was okay, but ever since I started using my Anastasia, this completely changed my life, so I highly recommend. So the first thing I do is that I brush my eyebrow. Okay, I'm gonna brush it. And this is just to clear away. So I'm gonna get my Anastasia. I'm gonna dip my brush. I'm going to start with my bottom section of my eyebrow, and you're going to try to make a line as precisely as you can. So let's do that. I'm gonna come closer so you can see what I'm doing. It's okay. And I always start from this part of my brow. I don't start from the front part because I don't know how to. Okay. Once you have that, now you're gonna go in the top part and you're gonna draw another line. And you're going to take your time, girls. Because if you want beautiful eyebrow, you need to know that you have to have a lot of patience for this. Okay? So after you have the line above and in the bottom, you're gonna go ahead and fill in this brow. Okay? So you're gonna get more product on your brush, and you're going to start filling. Don't touch the front part of your brows, because that is gonna be the last we're gonna do. Take your time, don't rush. And you're going to get more product and put on your brow. Clean off your brush a little bit, you know, because you're going to still have product, and you don't want that lot of product on your brush for the front part of your brow. So you're gonna go ahead and do the front part. You're gonna go in a soft and gently way. Once you have that, now you're gonna grab this part of your brush and you're gonna comb it very gently, so the product on your face look very natural and even. Very gently. what you're going to do is use your concealer to clean all the little mistakes that we did. Okay, so we're going to do that, girl. I'm gonna put a little bit on this part of my hand just to have a better control of it. So I'm gonna get this part of my brush because this is what I'm looking. I want a nice line of, what a nice line, you know. I don't have plenty mistake, but I'm gonna do it. And I don't use a lot of concealer because I don't like that white line what just keep there, but I use a little bit just to make it even. Oops. Now you're going to go ahead and do the top part if you do have any mistake. I do not have any. Okay, girls, once you have this one, now you're going to go ahead and do the other one. Okay, and we're going to do exactly the same thing that we did on this side. Honestly, my brows never comes out equal. Once you have the line, your bottom line, you're going to go ahead and do the top part. Okay, let's get more product. I'm gonna use my highlighter from the Beauty Creation, and it's Scandalous Glow, and I'm gonna just highlight my brow so it looks nicely. Okay girls, that completes my little tutorial. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you enjoy watching it, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and what else can I say? See you in my next video. Bye.